Hello guys, I am from Gauras Maths. Today I shall explain one concept related to chapter 7 integral in CRT 12 mathematics. The concept is in the form of question itself. The question is integrate integral dx over under root a square minus x square. Now come out to the solution here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that let I, capital I equal to, capital I means integral. Capital I equal to integral dx over under root a square minus x square. Same thing I have written as given in the question itself. Now again I shall write again let x equal to a sin theta. Let x equal to a sin theta. What will do next? Imply that sin theta equal to x over a. Here you can see x is there in left hand side or equal to, and here a is constant multiplied to sin theta. So sin theta comes out to be x over a. Imply that theta equal to sin inverse x over a. This thing I should write. Now again I shall do. Here I shall write imply that x equal to a sin theta. dWRT theta. dWRT theta means differentiating of function x with respect to theta comes out to be d over d theta of x equal to a dot d over d theta of sin theta. Imply that d over d theta of x. Here you can see in denominator theta is there and numerator x is there. Theta and x are different. That's why d will be conjugated to x, comes out to be dx over d theta. So here I shall write dx over d theta. Dx over d theta equal to a dot d over d theta of sin theta comes out to be cos theta. Implied that dx equal to a dot cos theta dot d theta. Value of dx you have got dx equal to a dot cos theta dot d theta you have got. Now come out to the question itself. Implies that I equal to integral dx over under root a square minus x square. Implies that I equal to, in place of dx I shall write a dot cos theta dot d theta whole over under root a square minus, in place of x I shall write a sin theta, comes out to be a square sin square theta This thing we have got. Again I shall write implied that I equal to integral a dot cos theta dot d theta whole over under root, here a square is the first term, a square sin square theta is the second term. Here I shall take a square as a common. Take here a square as a common. We will get here 1 minus sin square theta. Again I shall write implied that I equal to integral a dot cos theta dot d theta whole over under root a square comes out to be a dot under root 1 minus sin square theta comes out to be cos square theta. Here write cos square theta. Implied that I equal to integral a dot cos theta d theta whole over a dot under root cos square theta comes out to be cos theta. Here cos theta and cos theta will be cancelled out. Also a and a will be cancelled out. We will get here I equal to integral d theta. Again I shall write implied that I equal to integral theta raised to the power 0 dot d theta. Because here theta raised to the power 0 comes out to be 1. So here 1 will multiply to d theta. So in place of 1 I can write theta raised power 0. Theta raised power 0 comes out to be 1. So we get here implied that I equal to theta raised to the power 0 plus 1 whole over 0 plus 1 comes out to be I equal to theta. Implied that I equal to, here value of theta I shall write sin inverse x over a plus c. Here c is a content. Now you have got the formula. Formula is integral dx over under root a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x over a plus c. Formula is integral dx over under root a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x over a plus c. This is the formula. You must remember. Proper explanation of integrate integral dx over under root a square minus x square. The formula you have got here इंटीग्रल dx ओवर अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स एक्स ओवर ए प्लस सी। ओके गाइस, थैंक्स।